Welcome to chapter 6. Today we are going to discuss the maxima and minima on questions based upon rectangles. For this we have taken here two questions. We'll start our discussion from question number 2. Our question number 2 is show that of all the rectangles, we'll make one rectangle here. This is our rectangle. This is x and this is y. With given area, तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या दिया गया है? Area that is equal to x into y. Let it be question number 1. ये आपका क्या है? Given. Okay. Now you have to show that square has the least perimeter. What will be the perimeter? That is 2x plus y. आपको दिखाना है ये perimeter least है. कब least है? जब x is equal to y. That means this will get changed into square. So let us do this. सबसे पहले हम यहाँ से y की वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं. y की वैल्यू यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगी? a upon x. Keep it here. That is p 2x plus a upon x. Now when we find out the first derivative dp upon dx, this is equal to 2x का आपका 1 minus a upon x square. Okay. Now make dp upon dx is equal to 0. What we get is x square is equal to a and that is x is equal to under root a. So this is our critical point. Now we'll differentiate this once again. So this becomes d square p upon dx square. You can see that this is 2. जब आप इसको वापस डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे ये आपका हो जाएगा 0. This is minus a and this will become minus 2x cube minus 1 upon x square. इसको आप x to the power 2 को जब ऊपर ले लेंगे तो ये आपका हो जाएगा x to the power minus 2 और जब आप minus 2 को डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो ये minus 2 x to the power minus 3. So this becomes plus 2 into 2 that is 4a upon x cube. Now we will find the value of second derivative at x is equal to root a. So this will become 4a. Again value of x square is a. So a under root a. You can see that this is coming out to be 4 root a and this is your greater than 0. Second derivative आपका greater than 0 है. इसका मतलब this particular perimeter is minimum at x is equal to root a. So we have shown that this is means minimum. Now let us find out the value that whether it is a square or not. We will take this condition. You can see here x square a is equal to xy. What is the value of a? X square. So x square is equal to xy. X and x will be cancelled, so we are here with the condition x is equal to y. That means this rectangle will reduce to square for the least perimeter. That is condition for square. इसका मतलब जब ये आपका मिनिमम है तो ये आपका किस में रिड्यूस हो गई है? रेक्टेंगल से स्क्वायर में. Okay, so this is all about the question of all the rectangles with given area. Square has the least perimeter. X is equal to y. It indicates that this is a square. In the same way, we will move for the question number 1. In question number 1 it is show that of all the rectangles with given perimeter. You can see here perimeter is given, that means 2x plus y. ये आपको given है. The square has the largest area. That means square. यहाँ पे भी जब area आपकी largest होगी तो ये आपका किस में convert हो जाएगा? Square में. Okay, now let us work out. The square has the largest area. पहले हम लोग a निकाल लें. एरिया आपका कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? x into y. Find out the value from here. So you can see here p is equal to 2x plus 2y, right? So P minus 2x upon 2 is equal to y. So here area is equal to x, P minus 2x upon 2. You can see that the square has the largest area. हम लोगों ने एरिया ले लिया, लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ, y को चेंज कर दिया. Now here let us do one more step. This becomes px upon 2 minus 2x square upon 2. Find out the first derivative. ये आपका हो जाएगा p upon 2 minus 4x upon 2. Okay. Now make dA upon dx is equal to 0. So this becomes p is equal to 4x, or you can write x is equal to p upon 4. Right? Now moving on to the second derivative, that is d square a upon dx square is equal to, you can see that p upon 2, p आपका कांस्टेंट है तो आपका 0 हो जाएगा, minus 4 upon 2. Okay, now you can see here this is equal to minus 2, that means this is less than 0. Okay, if this is less than 0, second derivative अगर आपका less than 0 है, that means at x is equal to p upon 4, the area is maximum. Okay, now we can work out here p is equal to 2x plus y. p की वैल्यू यहाँ से कितनी जाएगी 4x, so you can take here 4x is equal to 2x plus 2y. Now this will be 2x is equal to 2y. You can see that x is equal to y. Now x is equal to y. If length is equal to breadth, that means this given rectangle will be your square. So that is what is given in the question कि जब इसकी एरिया लार्जेस्ट होगी, लार्जेस्ट का मतलब ये था कि हमें दिखाना है कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारा सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव है that is less than 0 and it becomes square का मतलब हमें length and breadth को equal दिखाना है. This was the one criteria. The other thing what you can do is you can keep the value of x p by 4. Okay, x को p by 4 रख के आप y calculate कर सकते हैं. Your y will also come by p by 4 by keeping the value this. So that way also you can do. Okay, so this is all about how we can work out the questions related with the rectangles. Thank you.